Welcome, welcome. Dominic is here in the first place, in the flesh, actually. Welcome, Dominic, and everybody who is joining or watching the VOD later on. So, what an interesting turn of events. You know, we were here in the London session, and we were talking about this PD array on this hourly dip, and it seems like we reached this 4-hour bearish order block with a perfect reaction. Look at this reaction. Touched the order block, boom, went down. How much? It went down 63, a hefty 30 points. Wow, very nice. ES did the same too. We're gonna be digging into this. Dominic, how is your day so far? I'm sorry, I was seeing your emails there, but I was shopping for Christmas tree and I couldn't respond. So, but thank you. Oh, thank you. Well, I think it was, it was just the matter of the PD array. If you rewind your charts, anytime, most likely on the 1 hour, and you see a dip like this, then you have to consider this as a PD array matrix. So sooner or later, it should be retracing or at least tap into the premium from discount. It's interesting. I was talking about this in my walks and talks, Anyway, yeah, I just saw that on my phone. I wasn't able to read that. Believe it or not, I just brought up the Christmas tree to the apartment like 10 minutes ago. So I have to check what you wrote here. Oh yeah, I see you. I have many emails. Which one? Oh, this is one. This time, let's see if this one works out. Let's see. What do we see? Yeah, you sent an attachment. You've sent an attachment. Let's check this. This is what you sent me. Straight from Dominic's phone, I guess. Oh yeah, look at that. You were on the 32nd. Nice, nice. Okay. Alright. Nice micros there. Okay. Good. Good. Very nice. Let's hope. It's a nice one. You're on track. Let's look at it on the 32nd. Let's see what Dominic did here. Okay. Well, technically speaking, there was a structure shift here with the fair value gap. Boom. And it went down. So nice entry on the 32nd there. Question is how far it can go. Are we going to dive deeper? I would have put my stop somewhere above this array, 73 ticks. 73 ticks. With a 1-to-1, it should be alright by now. You should be at break even. But sell side, I think it's down below, at least around the 900s. Look at this dripping down. Wow. Very good, Dominic. This trade is nice. Huge applause to you, my man. Congrats. You deserve it. I think it should go down to this level, which is 1913.25. That would be, if you could take some partials. I know I was saying I'm not taking partials, but if you want to play it safe, you take some off at 13 or maybe 14. You peel some of it off, or maybe here right now, and you let the rest of it ride down all the way down to relative equal lows here, almost like 3 equal lows down there. And we have also equal lows on the 4 hours, so quite a bit of a sell side still. Let's see if the movement from yesterday is going to continue or not. So news pushed this higher. Now, it's also important, let's check out this low here. The low of this candle is 59.25 and this one is 60.25. So I'm considering that should this one go down to this order block, because this is a bullish order block on the 15-minute. Let's not forget that, and we have to be aware of the possibilities here. Just a second. All right, so 15-minute bullish order block. I'm gonna put it there. Let's see how it checks out. Have to be careful. So if you make it down here, you should be taking profit, yeah, somewhere here, and then leave a runner at least to touch the order block. That's like 27 points. So that's nice. Very nice, very nice. It can be also seen on the 1-minute as well. Wow, look at that. Also a structure shift here. Nice retracement. It was a beautiful one. I feel a little bit of FOMO there, that I missed this. All right. What is ES doing? What is ES doing right now? Okay, ES checked into this 1-hour fair value gap. Did the same structure shift. Now, this could be dangerous. Look at that. It's getting a little bit sloppy here. And I would be careful holding on for too long to the short, especially before market open. So if I would be holding a position from here on NQ, then I would be watching it closely or putting it to break even, but just because we are right before market open. That's my personal opinion. You can do what you like to do. All right. What's the dollar index doing? The dollar index is technically dropping down. Oh, look at that. The dollar is selling off. It's going to go through the 101.70. So if the dollar is selling off, have to be very careful with the shorts on the lower time frames. NQ can still push higher. So let's consider what is going to happen if NQ starts to push higher. If NQ wants to push it higher, and this is the 1-hour time frame, let me delete this gap here. If it wants to push higher, then we can go all the way back up there and make a new high. I don't see why not. It couldn't happen. I can absolutely imagine that we're gonna push higher and make a new high, but no confirmation yet. It's only if. So right now we are still looking to continue the sell-off. Market open is going to tell us where they want to push this, but let's be aware of the possibilities here. Market open is going to tell us what's going to happen here. I was at the barber shop. New haircut, you know. All right. Let's see. Naga is here. Market swing hard today. Yeah, it was not just today. In the past 24 hours, look at this. Boom, boom. And now, let's think about some retail logic. Naga, by the way, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget the like button, guys. Anyway, let's talk about some retail logic here. So, retail logic dictates us that if it broke structure here, it should be continuing lower, right? At least to go down into this 1-hour fair value gap. By the way, I do have to mark this up. It's a very important level, guys. Don't forget about this. It's a sell side liquidity level right there. 47.37 on ES and nothing on NQ. But on ES it's technically very important. This level at 47.37. It's a 1 hour fair value gap. So retail logic would dictate that we should be selling down more. While smart money already repriced, I mean took out a lot of stops, repriced this level, and they might want to push all these orders up again and squeeze them out and make the rally to this 2022 high at March 29 in 2022, which is at 48.61. This is a historical high up here, and considering the fact that it dropped this much yesterday, I can absolutely imagine that this one can go all the way up here. Not today, but by the end of the year it can slowly go up there. So that's just an opinion, you know. Anything can happen. I have my account right here. This is one of my funded accounts. On the right side is a 30-second chart. On the left side is a 500 tick chart. I might going to take a trade, but only with 1 micro. Driddy is here. Oh my god, look at this. Driddy, welcome, welcome. So good to see you guys. So this is hard. We are at the 50% level, and I just don't know what is going to happen. We definitely have to wait for market open to see what's going on here, and we just have to be patient, and we just have to wait. If yesterday I would have been more patient after 11 a.m., maybe I could have entered to a nice short with 1 micro at least. So it is what it is. What can we do, right? So let's hope for the best. All right. Okay, well, we cannot do anything here. We have to wait for market open. I'm gonna dip down to the 1 minute chart. Here, I have my levels. Everything is lined up. PD array. So I'm gonna put it to the right. So everything is lined up. Let's see where they want to push this. This is a 1 minute chart. On my other screen, I'm looking at the 15 minute as well. I'm looking at ES. I'm sorry guys if I have to hover all around. I'm gonna check multiple charts. 3%. Wow, what? 3%, and then I'm gonna pass my... Nice, Driddy, very good, very good. That's awesome. Excellent there, excellent. That is awesome. I also have a challenge. I need 1.2%, but I only have time until the 29. So next Friday I have time. So basically I have a week to make 1.2%. I don't know if I can make it. Let's hope I can make it. Well, there's no trading on Monday and Tuesday, so I only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 days excluding this one. So about 5 days, 5 trading days to make 1.2% on this challenge. Okay, market is open, by the way. They are pushing it down a little bit. Be careful though. Thank you, Driddy. Thank you. Hey, you can make it too, you know. Why couldn't you? I'm hoping that you have more time than me. I mean, I guess I have more time because I just pay another monthly fee, so that's it. Oh, look at this. They're pushing it. They're pushing it. They're pushing it. All right. If they're pushing it, where do they want to go? Where do they want to go? They want to make a new high? Let's go to the 1 hour. I'm not doing anything for now. We're just waiting, guys. Lowering the music. By the way, push the like button, everyone, and support the stream. Thank you so much. I mean, it would help a lot. Thank you. So they are pushing it on the 3 minute right now. The high is at 70.50. What is ES doing? ES is also pushing higher. No clear direction yet. We're still inside this area. If ES is the driver again, then we're gonna push all the way up to the 4800s again. It can easily happen. So get prepared for that. We're at 88.95. It can easily happen, guys. Easily happen. Let's check it. What's going on? This is the 30-second ES. I'm checking ES as well, and NQ. To me, it makes more sense for to push ES higher. To me. But, you know, who am I to tell? So let's just wait it out. What it wants to do. Do they want to push it higher or not? Who knows what's gonna happen? On the 1 minute, it tapped into the fair value gap. Question is, do they want to continue the sell-off or they want to push it higher? Seems like they want to continue the sell-off for now. What is NQ doing? NQ might be selling off here, right? Let's just wait. We have to be patient here. Nothing clear right now. So let's be patient. Let's see if they want to push it to the 4800s again. There is a bearish order block on the 4 hour on ES, so I don't know what they want to do. No idea. Do they want to squeeze it or do they want to dump it? Nobody knows it. NQ is going down. Maybe it's gonna drag down ES as well. Yeah, it's going down. Or it's going up. Have to be careful. Nice wick there from the NQ. There is a bearish order block, I mean bullish order block down there. If they want to target that. I'm just checking ES as well. What do they want here? That's the question. That's the big question. Still no direction, just saying. ES is getting back to the opening range. Or opening price-ish. Have to wait, guys. Have to wait. Let's see what ES wants to do, right? Do they want to send it higher? It seems like they want to. I just don't know how high. I'm not doing anything, not taking anything. We're just waiting right now. We are just waiting, guys. Nothing to do here right now. No setup, not even on NQ. You know, if I would have to guess, I'd say that ES was digging into this fair value gap and they might want to push it higher. NQ is still not doing anything. On the 15-minute, it digged into this fair value gap, but no structure shift to the upside yet. Nothing yet. Only ES was shifting to the upside with the market structure shift. I'm not in any position right now. Not doing anything. NQ seems like it wants to drop. If it wants to drop, it should go to the 15-minute bullish order block. Let's check it. It's going there. At 90. Guys, if there is going to be a structure shift, I'm in. Let's check the 30-second. If we have a fair value gap, I jump in. I have to go down to the tick. The 500 tick chart is having a. All right. I'm going to have a sell here with 1 micro. Only 1 micro here. So nothing fancy, guys. 1 micro, and I'm going to figure out where it should go. My TP is going to be at 91.50. 91.50. There's my TP. And let's see, my stop loss. I don't know yet. I don't know where my stop loss should be. Maybe up here. Damn it. It might going to turn against me. No big deal. Okay, ready to close it. Manually, I'm going to close it manually. If it spikes up. Let's see if it wants to dip down. It's only 1 micro, guys, so I don't mind losing $20. It's not a big deal. Or $30. Or even 40 on this one. I don't really care about that. I just thought that we're going to see a liquidity run. Most likely, it's a fake out. Or a Judas swing. Oh no. Come on. Let's see what it wants to do. I don't like this movement. ES is pushing higher. Okay, I might going to close this manually and cut the loss. Alright, closed it. And I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Guys, it's not worth to go into some crazy trades. I'm perfectly fine. ES is pushing higher, yeah, okay. So it could have been a fake out here to the downside. For yeah, it should go. ES should go up. If it breaks 49, what's the high here? 49.75. Then, you know, anything can happen after that. So I'm gonna watch the ES as well, just as yesterday. Are we going to have a reaction? So far it's tricky, I think. It's very, very, very tricky. NQ is dipping down again. All right. It should go down to that order block. If it wants to go down, of course. Let's see if NQ wants to go down there. The 15-minute order block is at 92. At least let's observe if it wants to take that or not. Or is it going to be a turnaround? Because if ES is going to push higher, then it's definitely going to have a hard time there. Hard time to drop, that is. But order blocks are always a little bit like magnetic levels in terms of price. So I'm not sure. Just watching carefully. Just watching carefully, guys, and watch out for that order block. Are we going to have a reaction from that order block or not? Or is it going to turn around? Seems like it is. What's ES doing? Nothing. All right, sorry. Let's watch this for now. Are we going to have a reaction? Or not? That's the big question. Are we going to have a reaction or not? Hard to tell, by the way, because as far as I'm concerned, this one should be going to the upside. If ES is starting to push up here. You're up 5%. Nice. Very good, very good. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. That is great news. I'm just watching this. What it did here? NQ is almost like making a structure. It's a barcode chart right now. It's hard to read actually what it wants to do. Almost like dipped into a lower low here, many lower lows, and it seems like it's still having a hard time going up there, but ES wants to go higher. Very good. Yeah. Good. Risk management is the key, man. Basically. Absolutely. Risk management is the key factor right now. 5 losses and 3 winners and you're still up, you know. That's all that matters. Nothing else, you know. And congratulations, by the way. That's an awesome achievement there. I love it. Very nice. That's great, man. I still can't decide what NQ wants to do here. Is it want to go down to the order block? Or does it want to follow ES? Because I just have a feeling that ES wants that 4-hour bearish order block. And the 4800s. That's just a feeling, of course. But look at that, NQ is dropping. It's tough, absolutely. Tough to handle here. Hard to tell what they want. It's absolutely a barcode chart, almost like yesterday. A little bit of a gamble to know which direction to take in this condition. But if I go higher, I would still favorizing the 4800 on ES. So, and watching all these wicks down here, it can still push into that order block from the 4-hour. I guess we have to see. Wait and see. Are we going to push ES higher to that 94-ish levels? Or NQ is going to drag it down? That's the big question right now, I think. That everybody wants to know. So I'm watching NQ closely. I feel like ES wants to push higher, but So I'm just hovering around, trying to decide what to do here. Look at the 1 minute, it's narrowing down on ES as well. I wonder which direction it wants to take. It's going down, alright, alright. Maybe. Well, it wicked down a little bit. Total indecision in the market right now. I can absolutely imagine that a lot of people want to short this. So if they want to squeeze them out, they should push ES above 94. But it's hard to tell at this point. It's just the retail, reverse retail logic. So let's see what they want to do. And I imagine a lot of people jumped into shorts to go into the order block, just as I did. So it's another waiting game after yesterday, I think. And it's just hard to tell what's the good move here. We are inside of a barcode chart right now. So we're just waiting. Total indecision. I'm definitely waiting, guys. Really, I am waiting. I was doing the same thing yesterday. I was just waiting and waiting. And I think it's gonna be one of those days again, just as yesterday. I mean, look at that. Yesterday, I was sitting all this through. All this crap. And before that, I was sitting all this through. All this from opening to 10 or 11. I was sitting all this through. So I feel like we can have a similar session, at least the AM session. And I'm only trading one account, one funded account. So I'm not going to go into anything else. NQ seems like it wants to go lower. It might want to go into that 15-minute bullish order block. It's a good target actually, especially if, you know, we have relative equal lows here. Then it's a good target. London session was good. We were in a long position from this fair value gap on the stream, and I exited manually somewhere around here. And then it, no, was it here? It was here. I exited here, and it was a good thing because it went lower. So London session was good. It was a nice one. By the way, my plan is to build up an account without, it's going to be hard, but without withdrawing any profit. I just want to build up a cushion for $3,000 to $4,000 minimum. That's the minimum. So if I want to do this at Top Step, and maybe I want to take out $1,000, I should go for at least $5,000. So I'm trying to build that up. So I'm going to work on an account, and I have a strategy for account management. I think I'm only going to trade one account at a time. I don't want to copy trade my funded accounts. I have maximum funded accounts at Top Step right now, but I think I'm going to only trade one account at a time. I don't want to lose them in the same time by copy trading them. So I think I'm just gonna stick to one account. And you know, if I can maintain constant profits or gains, then you know, I will see how I do it with the future. But so far, you know, I'm gonna be careful. So we're just gonna wait for now, guys. We're just waiting. On the 15-minute, there's nothing, but we could be having... Yeah, it's, I mean, right? I mean, I was just thinking about it. Why should I copy trade them? Because if I catch a losing streak, I can easily lose a funded account. On a losing streak, I can easily lose a funded account. That's what I meant to say. And I don't want to lose them all at one time. So... slowly and steadily, single account. Then when you feel comfortable risking same contract size. Absolutely. That's absolutely, Dominic. So that's what I'm thinking of. I'm going to go with only one account at a time. And that's it. One account at a time. Also, you know, the guys at Top Step, even Michael Patek and Hogue and the others on Top Step TV were talking about this. It's hard to wait, of course. And we're talking about this, and they were talking, I mean, they're saying the same. They were saying the same, like, why is everybody wants to copy trade the funded accounts? You work hard to have 3 funded accounts, max allocation at Top Step, and you copy trade them, and you eventually you can step into a losing streak. And why drag all the accounts down into losses or even losing the accounts? So that's too much of a risk to copy trade, you know. And not to offend anyone, huge respect to every YouTuber or trader and everyone, but I see a few YouTubers, traders who are copy trading. For example, you can have 20 PA accounts at Apex, I think. And many traders, YouTubers are copy trading 5 or 10 or 20 evals or PAs as well. For me, that's a little bit too much. I mean, even if you have 20 performance accounts at Apex, why do I want to copy trade them all? You can split it to groups, but still, first, as Dominic said, if one can make steady growth from one account, then why risk the whole thing? Why risk everything on one card? You know. Naughty Bar trading. Well, Naughty Bar is a cool guy. I know he was trading like 20 accounts, but I'm not saying I'm not saying they are stupid or something. Don't get me wrong. It's their decision. If they want to do that, good for them. But even if I buy 20 accounts at the time, because I only buy like 1 or 2 accounts when I start a challenge, he just does not trade all day and even misses these good setups. Oh really? Well, I just, if there's a sell or there's a discount, which is right now at Apex, you might want to buy a few accounts. That's a good thing. And maybe copy trade too. I don't know. Everybody has different opinions, and I totally agree with that, and I get it, absolutely get it. And everybody has their free will to do what they want. It's up to them, right? Anyway, it's up to them. That is called patience. Yeah, that is called patience. Absolutely, Dominic. So in this business, you have to be extremely patient. For example, oh, look at that. We visited, I was talking and we went down to the order block. Okay, so bullish order block has been touched, the 15-minute, which is great. I'm checking the 30-second chart. Nothing serious here. And I think we may want to drop lower here. He gets distracted by chat. Easy. I get distracted by chat, but I like it, I like to talk with you guys. I really enjoy it. And there's no setup here for now, so I don't mind anyway. There is also a bullish order block on ES2 on the 15-minute. I think it wants to tap into this fair value gap. So let's see what NQ wants to do. I'm not in anything. I'm not in any position now. I'm flat. I didn't take any position. At 83 there's a 5-minute order block which is inside of the 15-minute order block from 83.25. I'm not in anything, and I'm trying to FVG formed. Where? On the 1 minute. We have a fair value gap here. So far it reacted to it. Do you think we're gonna go down? Visit these lows? It could be, anything is possible. Anything is possible, so let's just wait and see what they want to do. Are we going to have a reaction from this order block or not? So far, if I go out to the 15-minute, it does holding price real nicely. So if they want to shoot it all the way up inside to the 4-hour bearish order block, they can do it. But it's hard to tell if the bias is correct or not. I'm going back to the 1 minute just to check. We have equal lows here. I think they want to drive it all the way down to maybe 60. Who knows? If they want to, then they shouldn't stop until at least 61. Just saying. If they want to push it down, then 61 would be the sell side liquidity down there. If they want to push it down there. I don't know. Hard to tell. Really hard to tell right now. Do they want to take that out? I don't know. Yes, we entered to the silver bullet hour, so that's true. We just have to figure out where is the draw on liquidity right here. I think they want to push it down to 830. There you go. To that 830 level. Now it's taking it out. It should take it out. It's just a few points away. We can see a sell-off for 2 days straight before Christmas. Yeah, it can happen. A sell-off can happen, and you know, profit taking and everything. It can still go all the way down to this low here, and in NQ, all the way to 59, which is real close. News pushed it up there. You know, it's 5 points away. And it's inside of a 1 hour fair value gap, so I think they should, this is the 1 hour, they should push it into this hourly fair value gap right here, there. So that should be a target. Now if we go inside that fair value gap right now, I wonder if they want to turn it around. We're going into that fair value gap. I think the low was taken out. 59.25, yeah, it was taken out. So we made a new low inside that fair value gap. There you go. So are we going to dip lower, or are we going to see a turnaround? It seems like it wants to go down further from here. Next fair value gap is right here at 34. Only 10 points away. Hard to tell. Let's just wait. We have to be patient, guys. This is what it's all about. It's gonna flip to the downside. It can. It absolutely can. Or to the upside, because it can do that too. I would jump into a long if we have a clean structure shift, but for now it seems heavy, and you know, we have 4 hour relative equal lows. We have a significant low here as well. It can go down there. It's 850, you know, 100 points. It can happen. It can absolutely happen. It's retracing on the 1 minute. You know, it's just, I'm gonna slowly slide down, slowly. Maverick is here. Oh, by the way, huge applause for everyone. Hey, Maverick. If someone is new here, thank you so much for watching the stream. If you can help me out, please push the like button, and because that contributes to the stream. Thank you very much. No silver bullet entries so far. Nothing. No silver bullet. I'm just waiting, guys. On the 3 minute it's repricing, on the 5 minute it's repricing. We had a structure shift on the 5 minute, and the 15 minute is not shifting structure for now. And this is a 1 hour fair value gap, so you know, if some kind of a market structure is going to form here, then you know, we'll see. Maverick is, everything is cool, and we're waiting for a possible long or short. What do you know, right? I couldn't decide which way it wants to go, but as far as we were checking it out, it disrespected the 15-minute order block, and so far I think it's going to close below these lows, the 15-minute. So that would be interesting. How is your trading going on, Maverick? If I'm gonna be in a trade, I'm gonna let you guys know. Definitely. I think everybody's waiting for now. Looking for market structure shift to the upside maybe, but I don't know. Only because ES might want to push, and I'm watching the ES as well. If ES wants to push upside, look at this. This is a 1 hour bullish order block, by the way. I think it's sweeping lows and gonna go a little higher. Maybe not high of day, but enough for one. Yeah, it's bad, man. I keep missing winners and catching losses. Trickling down. Hey, man, it's in the cards, you know. It's always in the cards. Look at ES, by the way. Look at this order block right there on the 1 hour. Bullish order block, 1 hour. If I go down, and if this is a strong order block, then we could be seeing the push back up to the 4 hour order block, you know, like a ping pong thingy. Oh, and look at that. Now we oh, what the hell? Look at that. Look at this push. Look at this push. Wow. I don't even know which one to take, you know. This is gonna go up and take out 906 in my opinion. If I have a retracement, I would love to be in the trade, but have to be patient, guys. If this wants to go up, I'm definitely going to be watching this closer. So we have a fair value gap on the 30-second. Nice structure shift, by the way, on NQ. So this is a very classy one. Look at this. If it wants to go higher, then it should take out the 06-ish levels. Or at least the 05. If it wants to go higher. What's ES doing? We have this nice high here, so anything can happen. So now we have an entry. Maybe we can see a market structure shift and pushing it higher, who knows? Just have to wait it out. On the 1 minute it was a perfect entry, just saying. So if we're going higher, then 06 should be a nice target. So even if I put a risk reward tool here or just a ruler, then I would say, yeah, a 1-to-1 should be enough for 0.5 at least. But we're just waiting for now, guys, so let's just wait. I missed this entry because I was talking, but this entry was great here. This right there. That was your entry. That was the silver bullet right there. This long. And I missed it. I'm gonna put a pending order. If we go down there. Let's see how it goes, right? It should go to 0.5. Yeah, but I'm not saying it's not dangerous, because it is dangerous a little bit. But if this is what I think it is, then we shouldn't stop. Look at ES, by the way. Beautiful entry on ES. Beautiful. You know what? F this. F this. F this. F this. I'm entering a buy on ES and on my live account. I don't care. Very small position. Very, very small position there. There you go. This is a paper trading account. I only took micros on this one. I took exactly the same entry on my live with micros. So I'm gonna put my stop loss down here. I have to modify my TP. I'm gonna have to put my TP up here. There. To have a better risk reward. My entry was missed there. I still believe that the ES should be pushing to the 4800s. If not, then, you know, it's fine. So I had the same problem that Nutty Bar had. I was talking to myself and I missed the entry right there. And instead of that, I had a late entry on ES. But it's still good, right? Guys, please tell me I did good here. It's gonna be fine, right? It's gonna be good. I think I'm gonna delete this order right there. I think I did good. I'm not saying this one is not going to have a hard time, but it is definitely this here. Put it to break even? No, not yet. It's gonna be tight. The only thing I can do is maybe put it here. I'm gonna modify my stop loss to 47.77, because if it goes down and trades below this wick, then it's definitely gonna go lower. So if it trades below the wick of this candle, then it's bad anyway, so I don't want to lose more. So the risk reward should be fine, right? This, like 1 to 2, and it's fine. It's great. My final TP is at 92.25. That doesn't mean if it's going to start to hover too much around here, I might close it manually, but I have the exact same entry on my funded. Yeah, 82. Actually, my entry is at 82.50 on my funded. Yeah, but it's still, it's fine. It's fine. So this is the trade I took on ES, one contract. And I have micros on my... Got a winner. One error on NQ. Yeah, nice. I hope you took it. I hope you made something on it. If you did, you will have an applause. Let me know. Let me know. NQ definitely made it to 1R. Did you made some profit on that, Maverick? I hope you did. I hope you did. Don't let me down on this, man. Don't let me come to you and shake your head. You know, I'm joking. Tell me you did. Tell me you made some profit. Just a yes or no. Or what, or whatever. Oh, man. Very nice. Congratulations. Very nice, Maverick. Very nice. Oh, look at that. What do you know? ES is pushing it higher. I think ES wants to go into the 4-hour order block up here, which is at 48.07. there you go. There you go, Maverick. You know, we're splitting the profit though, you know. So I'm gonna give you my account number and, you know, just wire it, or PayPal, you know, whatever. So I'm very confident that ES should be pushing higher and go to the 4800s. It's running. It's running. I should have a sound effect for it's running. Do we have something like that? Look at that. It's almost there. It goes there. Almost there. If it turns back down, I'm gonna eat my hat from here. So. Oh, what do you know? All right. I don't want to show you all my accounts, but what I can show you, because you know, privacy and everything, you know, how many hackers are there. On one of my Express accounts, I took this trade, and this account was basically almost a new one. I can show you this Express account. It's a new account, and I made this trade right now in ES, $355. The balance is still low. It's at 477, but this was the trade right now. $355 on my Express, one of my Express funded accounts. So yeah, some nice profit there. $30 looking good. Not gonna hold this. I'm not holding this. I made a nice profit on this one. I'm not sure if you're still holding partial from this NQ. The M5 order block on NQ looks interesting if it retraces. M5 order block. Where? Which one? Where is an order block? Maverick, not gonna lie, you have a problem. No, I'm joking. I don't know. Where is the order block? Which one? What? Where? Where is it? There's no order blocks here. Where is the order block? Where? Where is the order block, Maverick? Where is the order block? Where's the order block? Where is the order block? Where is it? Oh, look at that. Oh my god. I think the take profit was right on time there. What is happening here? Guys. What the hell is going on here? What the hell is going on? Is it gonna go lower? $30-minute look ugly. I don't even have the 30-minute chart here. This is the 30-minute. Oh wow, it looks ugly. Yeah, it does. It does look ugly. Yeah. Indecision on ES. Oh my god, ES is a bigger ugly. The 30-minute on ES is definitely uglier. So if this is gonna close like this, then it's a big question mark. I'm gonna go back to the 15-minute. It's terrible, terrible. Hard to tell, guys. Very hard. Holy shit! I had a lucky shot in this opening twice today. One short, one long time. Christmas is coming. Congratulations there, Aaron Music. Come on, man. Come on, let's go. Congratulations to Aaron Music. Oh, hi Tom, by the way. You know what? I'm happy for you, man. I'm happy for you. That's all that matters. So if you guys want to, you know, trade like a coin flip, you know, go to Aaron Music. He's a lucky guy, you know. And just ask him, heads or tails, and that's how he does it. And it works, actually. It's scientifically proven, by the way, guys. And it's a scientific fact. It really is. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. That if you actually give, for example, to a monkey a coin, and it starts to flip it, then out of 1,000 flips, no matter it's heads or tails, if you use the correct money management, you should be around 50-50%. After 1,000 coin flips, it should be equal after some times. It's crazy, right? That's the scientific proof. So if you have good risk management, then you shouldn't be losing money on coin flipping, on trading by coin flipping. But you have to take like 1,000 trades to make it work. You had a trade New York session. Yeah, I had a trade. We were long ES, and I exited. We entered. I don't even know where we entered. I have no idea where I entered. Anyway, I entered somewhere. Let's check the trades. I took it on this paper trading account, and I took it on my funded account. So there we have it. We entered here. 82, and I exited here at 92. So 10 handles on ES. That's what we did right now. It's a paper trading account, but I can proudly present to you so you guys can see it. It's a small account because I just started out with this one. This is a funded account with $355. This was the ES trade that I took right now. This trade on my Express funded account, one of my Express funded accounts. I can show you this balance because it's a new account, and I thought, why not, you know? And it was a nice trade. So what else? Oh my god, so many chat here. Thanks, man. Evaluation 100k, nice, very good. It works 50%, yeah. No stop loss, you never lost. Yes, yes. Stop loss is for retailers, yeah. I never lose this, man. My stop loss a bit crazy. Really? 300 pip or 200 pips? Thank you, Arrow Music. Well, you know, it's still far away because I have to do like 4 more days over $200 to ask for a payout. But I don't want to ask for a payout. Actually, I would like to build up this account. And it's going to take time, so I'm not going to take payout from top staff for at least a month either way, even if I manage to build this up, because I want to build it up. I want to build account balance, a cushion, and I'm looking for at least $5,000 until I take out for at least, well, around $1,000. So that's my goal. I want to build it up to 5k. It's going to be slow, and I think it's going to take the whole January at least, or more. But I want to build up a cushion, and I want to practice money management. So guys, I'm gonna be here on YouTube asking for your help by clicking my link to buy evaluation accounts and combine accounts, and, you know, send your money to me. That's it. Because I won't have any other income. No, I will. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it work, guys. Trust me. We're gonna make it work. If I have to, I'm gonna go and, you know, sweep the streets or something to make some side income. I'm not gonna give up on trading, that's for sure. Let's practice trade management together, alright? So I took this trade on a paper trading account, which is looking good, by the way. I know it's paper trading, but it's kind of good. I think it's going to be good for reference as well. The only problem, I can't really export the account history. And I'm only taking 1 contract at a time, so no more. I think it's quite good. It's quite alright. If you look at the 3-minute chart, there was an inversion gap entry on that first upward. Really? Let's look at the 3-minute chart. On NQ. Inversion gap entry on the first leg upwards. Three-minute first leg upwards. Are you talking about this? NQ. Look at that. Inversion gap here. Is this one? Maybe that one. Because that's a 3-minute gap. Which can be good. Overall, by the way, guys. Yeah, that's the one. Alright, alright. Oh, Arrow Music, let's see what you wrote here. 4 years ago, I swore not to give money to anyone on this internet in any form. I've stuck to that until now. But your channel makes me shaky for the first time. Want to support you. Oh man, you know. Hey, don't worry about that. Don't worry about the Arrow Music. I mean, I take this as a business. I don't want to seem like I'm begging or something, so excuse me for that. I do have to do the commercials. Take it as a commercial, but I'm not making millions. I'm not taking out money in December, and I'm not gonna take out most likely money in January. So for 30 days, I'm not gonna be making money from trading. So all the money I can make from from online is my YouTube or affiliate links or whatever, or my Discord membership. But don't worry about that. You know, I can handle myself. Don't worry. But it's also, I mean, many other streamers do that, and not just traders, gamers most likely, I know. But you know, I was opening a donation link, of course, but don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Thank you very much. The last bearish FVG on the move down. This one? I have no idea what you're talking about, Maverick. The thing is that you are one of those gens on YouTube. Thank you so much. I'm trying to be real. And guys, if I blow my funded account, I'm gonna let you guys know, honestly. Because, you know, it's in the cards. It can happen to anyone. But right now, I'm gonna be honest. And I'm gonna show you, I have a challenge account right here. Let me show you the stuff here. Let me show you the stuff. Just a second. Sorry, Maverick. I'm gonna check it out. Just a second. So I have a challenge account here. This one. This was already a reset. I made the reset on this account at December 14. I'm not proud of it because I didn't want it to reset it, and then I got cold feet. And I only have time until next week, Friday, to finish this account. And currently I have $157,000 on it, and I have to make it to $9,000 to finish this. And honestly, guys, I feel fear. I have fear of entering. I didn't had this feeling since quite a while, but now I have fear of entering the trade. So I don't know if I can make it. I have like, because there's no trading on 25 and 26, I have like 4 or 5 trading days to finish this account. Of course, if I'm not gonna make it, I'm just gonna get rebuild. So that's it. I don't want, if I just make it to $158,000, it's cool. I'm gonna let myself rebuild, and I'm gonna pay for 1 month, and it is what it is. I'm just hoping that I can make it there. So I'm not going to YOLO it. If I'm at the rebuild period, I'm not going to YOLO it. I can promise you that. I am not going to YOLO it. And by the way, that's a very, very important factor. Let me read what you guys just wrote here. You did not teach me anything particular, to be honest, but you deserve it. Thank you so much, Era Music. It's really, it feels good that you're saying that. Thank you. The bearish leg that swept the lows. Tom, how was the trade? Driddy, we made some profit here. Let me show you. I took this on my funded account as well, but here I took it on my paper trading account. I entered at the ES 47.82 and exited 47.92, so 10 points here. That's why I prefer fibers, no monthly fees, and if you only trade New York, the spreads on NQ are pretty good. Yeah, I mean, understandable. So it's very important. For example, if you're doing good, and it's a trap, you know, it's a trap. Like Admiral Akbar says it in Star Wars, it's a trap. If you're very close to your target on a funded account, on a challenge account, for example at Top Step or Apex, whatever, and if you just need 1 or 2%, what do many people do? Ask yourself, what would you do? Because I was doing the same shit. I'm sorry, I'm talking, excuse my French, but I was doing the same shit. When I was close to the profit target, my mind was focusing on the next month rebuild. And what I did, I YOLO'd it. I went all in, all the contracts, just to make that final 1%. And what happened, of course? I blew the account. I blew my daily limit, and the next day I went all in again, and of course I blew the account. And I had to buy a new Combine account anyway. So instead of blowing your account, if you're already in a nice profit, then let it go to the new billing cycle. Pay for that new month, and who cares? You know, at least you're gonna be a very, very, for example, if I would finish this account by next week at $157,000, I would be stupid to reset it or any. I'm just gonna let myself be rebuild, and I'm gonna take it super slow in January, and I don't want to waste that money. So I'm gonna take that super slow, and I'm gonna make that $2,000 in a month. That's it. So I will have time to finish that account. So it's fine by me. Anyway, what is happening? What is happening here? The price range is narrowing down. We are at the 15-minute. I'm gonna delete this because it's irrelevant for now. This is almost like, let's go down here. I thought that it's gonna be like a breaker setup, but it's not a breaker actually. Well, almost. It almost like a breaker. Why? Because made lows, broke higher, went down again on the 1 minute, but no fair value gap here. So if anything, there is a bearish fair value gap, but anyway, no idea where price wants to go. We're pretty much narrowing down again. ES, I like ES much better here. ES is like, look at this. On the 1 hour, it's pretty confusing, but still, oh my god. Let me delete these executions. All right. So it's a doji candle. But what I would like to see on ES is to go into the 4-hour order block. Like, we can play around here, but I would like to see this go to the 4-hour order block. That's my plan. Sorry, I have to take a very quick phone call. Oh my god. 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 Arrow Music, are you still here? I just received a notification. Thank you so much for the generous donation. Guys, Arrow Music just donated. Thank you so much for the $5 is actually great because it goes into my stream. Thank you so much. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Huge thanks for the donation. There's no overlay on the stream for Stripe yet because I didn't connect it yet. I'm not sure if there's an option there, but thank you so much. I just received the push notification through email. Dude, you shouldn't have to. But I really, that was very generous. Thank you, thank you. It's really great. So I'm using this account to support my online expenses, and it's really great. Thank you so much again. It really means a lot. Arrow Music, thank you again. And I'm just seeing that Dominic sent me an email as well. Dominic sent me an email about an entry. This is what Dominic sent me. Sorry to share this, Dominic. I am so bad at future Binance. Govi, hey, welcome. I think a first timer here. Everybody welcome Govi. Huge applause. Applause. You're so bad at future Binance. Why do you say that? How do you mean by that? Why would you be bad? Let's see. What is Dominic doing here? 1 minute. NASDAQ. What are you doing here? Let's let me read. Did you wrote something? Silver bullet looks like. Silver bullet fair value gap. Yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely. Yeah, I was talking about this and I missed this trade. So instead of this trade, I entered. Oh yeah, I know what I did there. This is where we entered. This was my entry here. So this area on ES. I didn't take it on NQ. I took it on ES. But nice chart there. Thank you, Dominic. Thank you. Thank you. So Gobi, don't be hard on yourself. Why are you saying that you're bad? Never say that you're bad. Dude, if you're saying you're bad, I can say that you know, I was so bad for 3 to 4 years. I lost everything, man. So don't worry about that. I was definitely the worst trader, and I'm still not there where I want to be. So, dude, why are you saying that? You can't say that to yourself. Everybody makes mistakes, but that's part of the journey, you know. That it's part of the journey. You have to, whatever you're doing in trading, and if you had a bad day or bad trade or whatever, that's part of the journey. If you make the same mistake over and over, there will be a limit in your head, a period where it is going to click automatically in your subconscious. If you made a mistake in trading, let it be futures or Forex or Bitcoin, whatever. I'm not sure why you wrote Binance. Maybe you meant Bitcoin, I don't know. Then, you know, by the way, if you're trading Bitcoin on Binance, I would advise you against it. Trading Bitcoin is hard, I think, and it's not that reliable. But that's my personal opinion. If you like to trade crypto, I get it, and kudos, and you know, hats off if you want to trade that, because not many people like to trade crypto. But if you do, then you know, look at this price action. We're stuck in the middle of the look at this range. Please make sure to push the like button and subscribe to the channel, because new content is coming, guys. So new content is on the way. And if you want to support the stream, and if you want to buy a TopStep Combine account with a free trial option and the first reset with a 50% discount, just use my link right there or below. Right, link in the chat or below, and you can use also a nice code. Methodical Man is here, guys. What the hell is going on? We're all over with celebrities. You know, Methodical Man is a huge online celebrity, and check out his stream. You know, I'm just trying to push the vibe here. Check out his stream. He's streaming right now in New York session. and he also streams in London as well. He is a grinder as well, just like me. I said it already today. And go to his stream, you know, check him out. He's a cool guy. He helped me with some good advice with the channel, and he's trading NQ as well. No, not BTC. I think BTC is hard. Yeah, BTC is hard. Yeah. Well, the PNL I can show you. I can show you proudly. I don't want to share all my accounts because you know how it goes. I started a new account and I made today $355 on ES. So this is a new one. As you can see, I have only $477 on this Express account, and today I'm up $355. So I'm quite happy. I'm a happy camper right now, and it was made on the ES 1 minute. Where was it? Oh, that's the entry right there. This was the entry. Oh my god, it's too much. So that fair value gap was the entry, and I took it off somewhere here. Yeah. Oh, some new people here. What's going on? You were trading BNB? Oh man, I don't even know anything about BNB. Dave Trade FX is here, guys. Silver Bullet bang today. Oh yeah. The same entry was on NQ as well. Did you take it? Because I missed this trade. I wanted to take this one. And right down here. I wanted to take this one, but I missed it. And instead that, I took the ES trade. Because it was still around my entry point. So by the time I entered ES, NQ was up here. So that's why I took the ES. But I like this. This was a classic. This was a classic entry. Boom. But link to Methodical Man's channel. I don't know. I'm not sure that you can share links, but I'm gonna share it with you. I'm gonna hop into his live stream right now, and I'm going to share his link, right? And I'm going to, oh yeah, I am going to, this is a challenge account. This is his live stream right now. Go check him out. I took the inversion fair value gap. Where the heck, guys? I don't know what the hell is going on with the inversion fair. I'm confused today. Where is the inversion fair value gap? I'm gonna mark. Is this it? I mean, which one is that? I'm confused. Is this the one? Is this the inversion fair value gap here? Nay, no problem, man. Is this the inversion fair value gap? What the hell is? Where the hell is the inversion? Because Maverick was also talking about this too. Yes, that's the spirit. Hold together, family. 2 minute chart. Okay, 2 minute chart. Where? Is this the one? This? Is that the one? Or is this the one down there? Which one? The bullish or the bearish fair value gap? I'm confused. 10, 12. This one. Okay, so not that one. Okay, alright, alright. Alright, I get it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't get it. 10, 12. I don't get it. So this one made it here and here. Here. I'm confused, man. The bearish one was violated. Oh yeah, of course. I understand now. Yeah. So this candle, this bullish candle went all the way up, boom, closed up there, and then it retraced back down, boom, and you were in it. Now this is the kind of setup I really need to learn, guys. This is something I really need to learn because ICT was talking about this many times, and I definitely need to learn about this. Once you close above the bearish gap, you take the long. Really? So I close here, boom. Next candle, go long, right? Right here. So go long, stop loss here, at least 1-to-1, boom, some highs there, and you have the trade, right? Something like that, or something like that. Okay. Sweep of data lows just before. Yeah. We were following this gap down here, this gray area. Nice. I really want to dive deeper into the inversion setups, inversion gap setup, because this is really something I'm looking for. Huh. Huh. Ha. I'm not funny, I know. I'm trying to be funny, but I'm not. I'm actually not funny. Okay. Bro, long from middle if that of that fair value gap. Yeah. Yeah, understandable. I understood. Dominic was sending me awesome setups, by the way. He is pushing it, guys. Really. I mean, this guy Dominic is on steroids or fire, or I don't know what the hell he's doing over there, but that guy is spotting trade entries all over the place. I have to concentrate. Maybe I... oh, yeah. That's silver bullet. Yeah, when price revisited the gap there. Nice. Nice. Okay. So if I go down... So right here? No. Closed, went down into the gap right there at around 873.50, 73, 74 maybe, if we want to be 74, around 74. Goes down there, limit order, boom, move up. Okay. I wish I have a time machine now. Damn it. Okay. You see, guys? He knows. Methodical man knows. He knows. Damn, I really needed a winning session after I was losing all week. Not gonna lie. I was losing all week. I needed a winning session just for the feel of it. I really needed that. Okay, what's happening? We are ranging, guys. We are ranging. What's the time? 11 a.m. So officially, the silver bullet hour is almost over. I'm going to put out the end of the kill zone hour as well. I mean, the silver bullet is over and the kill zone is over. That's what I meant to say. In 30 seconds, the kill zone is over. Let's count it down. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Please, everyone, close your trades now. 1, 0. Okay, the official silver kill zone is over for New York AM session, as the ICT Bible says it, of course. So whatever you do from now on, you're on your own. You're on your own, guys, in the middle of nowhere. Whatever you do, you're basically on international waters from now. Nobody's gonna help you out here. You're just gonna hover around until the lunchtime, and maybe If you survive the lunchtime, then maybe you will be able to join back in the PM session for another kill zone, right? From 1 PM, that is. All right. Bro, I have 2 days red, no problem. I risk small, I win big. My wins are bigger than my losses. Single win takes care of all my losses. Dude, I admire you. I mean, sometimes it's hard for me to hold myself. But that's the attitude, guys. That's why I'm saying Dominic is good. He's good. How long have you been trading, Dominic? How long have you been trading? It feels like you're something, maybe your ICT's son or your family member, I don't know, because I do like what you say and you're always on point. Or maybe he's Michael. Maybe Dominic is Michael, guys. Just saying, you know. Honestly, if we zoom this out, this is almost untradeable right now. So we have to wait to the PM session maybe. Same way, Dominic. Very good, guys. So that's why I was saying, and I thank you for the encouragement, that I have 3 funded accounts, but I'm only want to be trading 1 funded account. And let's see how far can I take it. I just started since the corona has spread. Oh wow, yeah. So at least you had the time to dive into the concepts. So as I said, I think I'm going to stick to that rule for the new year. I'm going to trade only 1 funded account at a time, and I'll try to bring that up into a decent amount of cushion or profit. And, you know, I bought 2 KD box minerals. What? Yep, miners. Mine minerals. Can pay 20k. Wow. 20k for those. Wow. That's nice. That's nice. Oh my god, I got a new subscriber, Marco. Marco, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome to the stream. Please, guys, by the way, push the like button and let's welcome Marco. And I have another one, Rotable. Sorry if I misspelled it. Thank you so much. We have 2 new subscribers, guys. Let's welcome them. Thank you. And please, if you would like to push the like button there, if you would like to support the stream. Since then, I spent over 40k into crypto. I decided to trade with money to learn faster. Hardest way. Yeah. Oh my god, I have a new subscriber. What the heck is going on? Rodrigo Cesar. Oh my god. Applause for Rodrigo, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. Wow. What a day. Thank you for the subscription, guys. It really means a lot. I decided to trade the gentleman's market. Yeah, that's what ICT says. It's a gentleman's market. It is, technically. Thank you so much again for the subscription. Promise you guys, there are gonna be some new content and new stuff. You know, you're not gonna be disappointed. Trust me. The gentleman's market. Yeah. Yeah. Future market is the gentleman's market. So we are pretty much in the middle of nowhere. Technically, price is not doing anything. Let me grab a drink, and I have to go to the bathroom, and I'll be back in a minute. All right, please don't go anywhere. Enjoy the chill out music, and just stay. You know, I'll be right back. Dominic wrote some stuff here. Let's read it together. I decided to yeah, so my best decision after all that is to stick to NQ and ES with prop firms. I left my work 1.5 years ago just to learn as much as I could with my last 5k I had left. The less money I had, the less trades I took, obviously. And after a year of executing on live price action, I slowly perfected the spotting of good A+ setups. The A+ setup is the one with the good large stop loss and small dollar value. You can literally split your order with many smaller entries if you are on micros, and the execution fee is also smaller, so the fees won't help blow the account. Yeah, the reality is, if you have no clue where to enter and where to put your stop loss, you have no trade. Don't force it, guys. Absolutely true. Absolutely. Dominic is spreading the word, guys. It's about being in the right time at the right price level. Amen. 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 I love that. I love that. Dominic, I'm gonna send you an email. I'm gonna send you an email for sure later. I have something for you. So this is awesome, man. This is so cool. I love how you describe things, so you know. This is great. And by the way, I just have a cookie like this, and I'm going to eat this cookie right now. It's made of honey. What's it called? Gingerbread. That's what I meant to say. Gingerbread. So guys, I have a little bit of gingerbread here. Yeah. Oh, come on. I want to upgrade my stream, guys. And there is a special thing I want to put out. What? Okay. Shrek's gingerbread size. Well, Shrek has lost its head, so... Oh, no more head. No more head for Shrek. Oh my god. It's too big. How about I put this here? It's not disturbing anyone, right? It's fine. Right? You can still see the chart, right? Alright. It's gonna be perfect. No. I'm gonna put it. Maybe. Where should I put this? Should I put this here? Should I put this there? I don't know where to put it. Any suggestions are welcome. I can't even transform it. Christmas. Yeah. There you go. You know, let's make the whole stream a little bit cozier with a Christmas tree. So we have a Christmas tree. Now it's better. Oh, Helston is here. Welcome, welcome. Well, I'm doing great so far. We made a nice trade on ES on a classic entry here at 10:15, 10:20-ish, and this was the only entry. Well, I made a small micro scalp, but that doesn't really matter. This was the big trade. As soon as it started to act crazy here, I took it off here, and I was doing it right. I was lucky. Well, I was over 1-to-1 risk reward, so I took it off. So it was a paper trading here, but I took it on my funded account too. How is your day so far? How is your day, Halston? Halston, yeah, sorry if I mispronounced it. Do we have that tree to light up and a super chat? When a super chat comes? No, I don't have that. I'm not even eligible for super chat, I think, because I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. I think I can only have super chat over 1,000 subscribers, I think. So, you know, I'm still going for that. I'm still a small streamer, so, but I don't want to buy followers or likes. You know, I don't want to do that business. I heard some people are doing it just to get over the 1,000 followers, but I think YouTube is eventually going to filter it out. So I'm not doing that. Yeah, trading NQ, I just missed a trade. Actually, I wanted to take this trade, but I missed it. I was talking to myself, and by the time I realized the NQ was already here. It was around 10:20, and I missed the entry on the 1 minute. So I hopped over to ES, and it was still around my entry points, only like a few ticks away. And I entered here. Actually, I can show you in a representative example. That's how we did it. So I entered at 82. It was up here, and exited at 92. 10 handles. As soon as I saw it's around 10 handles, I just said, all right, let's go, because my stop loss was down there. So that's how we did it today. But this is a paper trading account. I did it on my funded as well. Right here, this is a funded account, and $355 overall, because I was scalping as well, and that didn't turn out good, but overall in profit. This is a new account, only $477 on it, so that's why it shows this. So it was cool. It was cool. Hoping good setup in afternoon. Yeah, I'm hoping that too. Yesterday I missed the move, although I'm glad I didn't really chase it. I'll make it soon. Yeah, I know, Dominic. We all make it together. Exponential growth. Dominic, you're seeing the future. No. I really appreciate the support for being here with me, guys. But so far, as much as I can see from ES and NQ, we are pretty much in a barcode chart, and lunch hour is coming. So if we don't see anything happening here, then it's pretty much it, you know. And I'm not sure, as much as I like to be here with you guys. What day is it? Thursday. So as much as I like to be here with you guys, I'm not sure that it's worth to sit this one out here until the PM session. I think it's just gonna go barcoding all the way. Anyway, let's wait. Let's just wait. No, I can't do it. Guys, look at it. It's the 5-minute. Trust me, there's nothing to do here. You see a setup? Guys, Dominic sees a setup. Everybody, get ready. Because he's good. It's not sarcasm. He's really seeing something. What do you see, man? I'm gonna send to you right now. Okay. All right, man. All right. I'm watching it. I'm watching it. Dominic is going to spoon feed us with a nice trade entry. I hope. Let's see. Dominic is doing it. I think we should keep Dominic as a trade analyst, and you know, he will send in the analysis and we will decide what to do, right? And that way we can talk about all kind of stuff and he's gonna do the hard work. I think it's a good deal, right? It's a fair deal. It's absolutely a fair deal. Okay, Dominic just sent it over. Okay, all right. Let's see it. Let's see it, Dominic. Okay, this is Dominic's setup. What the hell? 1 minute. 1 minute NQ. Let's go. What is this? 1 minute NQ. What do you see here? Okay. So he's referring, maybe, not sure. What are you? Where are you? This is the 1 minute NQ. I'm trying to be with you here, but let's see. You're referring to this level down here. Yeah. Lowest candle. Oops. What the hell is... What is this, man? Is this a turtle soup? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. So Dominic is suggesting an entry at around 51. Which looks great, but maybe I'm missing something here. I just don't see it yet. If it goes back down here, is this an order block? Because it doesn't seem like an order block. Huh. Well, we'll see. So this is Dominic's trade setup. I'm just trying to interpret some things in it. Is there an order block there? Are you referring to this because, you know, there was a... Oh, by the way, I missed this move. Oh my god. Guys, I cannot believe how stupid was I. I mean, I wasn't stupid, but hey guys, guess what? 15-minute bullish order block. Boom, what a reaction. What a reaction, guys. On the candle, on the 10-hour candle. Look at that, boom. Went up. Look, if it forms, we're good. If we won't get it filled, it's still a win because we haven't lost. Absolutely. If we fill and lose, we lost very little. Yeah. Absolutely agree with you there. Absolutely agree with you. I was just searching for some kind of fair value gap or order block there. That's all I did. But I totally get it. Cool, man. Well, let's hope so. Otherwise, as much as I would like to, I don't see anything here for now. So, you know, guys, I love you all and God bless you all and everything. I just think I am going to cut the stream here. Guys, I know it's a sad thing, but I have to do some stuff in my apartment and just haven't paid enough attention. Even I missed it all. I am limited to chart on my phone. Oh yeah, I get it, Dominic. So guys, I would love to stay. I just don't think that it's worth to sit here until PM session, and I do have some stuff to take care of, and maybe I'll come back, I don't know, but I'll be here in London session. So guys, I really enjoy being here with everyone. Dominic, special thanks to you as well, and everyone. Just leave stream running, bro. If I leave the stream running, then, you know, I don't know. You guys want me to leave the stream running? Is that a thing? But I won't be here. I'm just gonna put the be right back sign. Do have to what you have to do, and we will wait for you, bro. Well, it can take at least half hour or maybe an hour, and no guarantees there. Nutty does it daily, right? Well, we'll see. No problem. Well, not that I don't want to, but I know myself, if I get carried away, if I have to leave the house or anything, I don't like to have my stream on and the computer and everything. So I might gonna cut it instead. So I don't know. Leave a message on stream with text. You'll be back in how many minutes? Yeah. Well, I would sure love to do that, Dominic. Trust me. But I just have stuff to do. Anyway, as much as it's very tempting to come back here, because I do love to talk to you guys, I think I just have to yeah, I think I just have to cut it. So Dominic, thank you so much for the advice, and you're a great person. I so much appreciate your attitude and your contribution to the stream. I'm gonna send you an email with something special there, but you know, I think I'm gonna cut it here, and guys, I'm gonna see you at least in London session. All right, so thanks so much for being here, I think this is it. At least we made some profit, and see you guys at least tomorrow, and it's gonna be great, trust me. So Dominic, cheer on and keep the spirit. We're gonna talk to each other and see each other tomorrow at least. All right, so thank you everyone for being here. Please subscribe, use my links, push the like button. So cheers everyone, it was great being here. We made some profit. Green day. All right, so thank you again and enjoy the rest of the day. All right, thank you guys.